Our latest project was laying out this natural sandstone pathway. It had two basic elements to it, the sandstone pathway and the staircase. I'm going to take you through the whole procedure, including the excavation, the concrete base we laid under here, concrete staircase, and then the cladding of the natural sandstone. The pathway is laid out in crazy paving pattern, using like a tile system, custom cutting all the sandstone pieces into tile squares to create a really solid staircase. We've got to excavate all this dirt out of here, about 150 mil.
My next task is to remove this bench seat. People have been using it as an improvised staircase to access the deck. So that's why the owners decided to put a staircase here. After removing most of the frame, I've started pulling out the stumps. We have to make room for the gravel bed, the concrete slab. The finished stone pathway is going to end up slightly above the grass level for drainage.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You hide